If you want to really make it in this shit, and I've been around a lot of them. I've been around a lot of 7-figure, 8-figure entrepreneurs, all of them, right? I've been around a lot of them as my clients, clients, my clients' friends, the whole team. And there's one thing that's like so common among them. It's stupid. It's like insane. It's common among them, but uncommon around everybody else that I see. Everybody who's not making that much money, they don't have it. But all these people who are 7 figures, 8 figures, multiple 6 figures, multiple 7 figures, whatever, they have it. And what I'm talking about is they know how to use their ego to their advantage. These business owners, I'm not even joking, have a gigantic ego. It's ridiculous. They'll tell you till the fucking moon comes back up and down. They'll tell you all fucking day how great they are, how great their product is, how great their team is, how far they'll go, how their stuff is better than anybody else. And of course, I'm a great example of that. I do that all the time, right? Everybody always knows it. Actually, today I was editing one of my own videos, bro, and I swear to you not, I was like, yo, this dude needs to shut the fuck up about talking about himself. It's like I skipped 10 minutes. I'm like, this dude's still talking about him fucking self. Like, holy shit. It's funny because I don't even realize that I'm doing it that much sometimes. But yes, I will sit here all day. I could easily write you a 400-page book about why my shit's the best, why nobody else has got the copywriting sauce like I do. But I'll spare you for right now. And the weird part is that a lot of losers have big egos too. And the reason why they're a loser is because they have a big ego. You see, a lot of the people who are broke are too egotistical to believe that it's possible for them. They're too egotistical to learn from somebody else. Like, yeah, this dude might have made this money. He might be a copywriter, is making multiple 6 figures, but nah, I don't want to learn from him because I don't know. It's just, I'd rather stick to my job, whatever. A lot of the dudes who end up in jail is because they have a huge ego. They want to make money the quick way, or somebody pissed them off or said the wrong thing to them. So they had to protect their name in these streets or something crazy and commit an act of violence or whatever. It's all because of ego. But what's the difference? These business owners have a huge ego and these fucking losers have a huge ego. Then what is the difference? Well, the difference is that losers let their ego use them, whereas winners use their ego to their advantage. Let me say that again, because I'm not sure a lot of you really understood. So I'm going to walk you through it slower. Because yeah, I know you heard me, but I'm not sure if you're listening. So if you're kind of listening passively, you're not focused in right now, like lock in. Losers let their ego use them. And these winners out here who are making the money in the business, they are using their ego to their advantage. And that's the key. The key is to use your ego to your advantage, because your ego can make or break you. Everybody will tell you, oh, be humble. Make sure you don't think too highly of yourself. Everybody knows that's fucking trash. All these people out here that claim to be humble, they're fake humble. They're fake humble to save face, right? All this like motherfucking Will Smith, Kevin Hart, Dwayne Johnson, all good dudes. I like them, except for Will Smith.
Keep my name out your mouth.
But they're all cool, but they're all fake humble as fuck. They'll be like, oh, well, you know, I'm just another guy, blah, blah, blah. That's for PR, you know. But you best believe what The Rock really thinks about The Rock is that he is the motherfucking man. He knows that he can if he puts his mind to anything, he can fucking do that shit. Any business owner feels like that, especially about their product, about their thing. They really think that they can do everything. I don't even gotta tell you guys how big my ego is, bro. I swear, sometimes I just be sitting there. I have an idea, and the magnificence and the genius of that idea, I already know. Just in a moment, boom, I just made hundreds of thousands of dollars. I'll just be sitting there, think of something, boom, that's hundreds of thousands of dollars in future revenue right there. Just popped into my head because I can see it, because I know these things, man. Every time I'm out here selling clients, bro, it's like, bro, I have so much confidence. I come on the sales call and the client is nervous, bro. People talking about, oh, bro, I don't know how to get on these sales calls, bro. I'm nervous. Like, what if I mess up, bro? Gee, I'm sitting here like this, talking about like, okay, speak. What do you want? Like, oh, well, Mr. Copywriter, I need copy for my website and I need these emails set up. Okay, enough. Maybe I'll consider working with you. Like, I am the fucking man, bro. I'm the one who calls the fucking shots around here, bro. I'm the motherfucking business owner. You asked to get, bro, I got clients following up with me in my DMs, dog. They're following up with me, outreaching to me. I am the motherfucking man. And that's how I use my ego. But anybody who's ever come to me, nobody is going to celebrate a win with you guys and be more proud of you than I am. I'm the most down-to-earth dude that you'll ever meet. I will help you no matter what. I answer all of my DMs, all of my emails, maybe not as quickly as I like or as quickly as I should, but I swear, man, I'm the dude who's really out here giving the most because I do genuinely care about you guys. Even though I have the biggest, most stupidest ego on the planet, you'll still catch me caring about you guys, helping you guys out. I don't think that anybody's below me, especially you guys. You guys I have so much respect for because you're in that situation. Like, I've been there. I know that. And that's how business owners feel about you guys too. Just starting up, you're between point A and point B, like I already described. That's a place that most people don't want to be. And if I see people working hard, I'd love to give you a help up. I'd love to help you along the way. And I will. And I always do. I always will. But the other people who let their ego use them, the big difference is that I have a huge ego because I know I'm the shit. The reason why I know I'm the shit is because the accomplishments that I've already had. I've been in this shit for a year, dog. A year, and look what the fuck I did. Who else could come close to this in a fucking year? Nobody. Promise you. The accomplishments lead to the confidence. That's where it comes from. But the people who let their ego use them, they're coming at it in a way where they're cocky, right? The difference between cocky and confidence is they think they're cocky. They think they're the shit, but they haven't done anything to prove it. They're basically a loser. Maybe they were cool in high school, so they think they're the shit, and there's nothing to back it up. They have no accomplishments. They're just a loser. They make average salary. They got an average looking body. Their bitch is just an average bitch with 3 days of razor stubble stuffed into a sleeveless muumuu. They don't got shit, but they'll tell you up and down that they're the shit, and they talk down to other people. That's the difference. And an exercise that I want to share with you guys that's going to help you build this confidence so that you can build this ego, you can build that healthy ego, is to create proof statements. Create proof statements. It's a lot like affirmations, but instead of sitting there like a weirdo in the mirror talking about, I am rich, I am powerful, I will have money. That's corny. Create proof statements. I will be rich because I am disciplined. Because I was in the military for 5 years and I was kicking motherfucking ass. I am going to be rich because I'm persistent, because I spent months and months and months doing outreach just to get my first client. Create these proof statements and write them down every day. And bro, when you really realize how much of the shit you are, when you realize, yo, I'm him, bro. I'm him. I'm out here doing this shit. Good feeling. And that is how you can use your ego to your advantage.